Toyota is all set to close the gap with Tesla and other electric vehicle manufacturers with its new solid-state battery technology. The Japanese automaker is introducing a solid-state battery that will provide an impressive range of up to 745 miles or 1,200 kilometers on a single charge. These batteries are designed to address one of the biggest concerns among EV users: charging time. Toyota claims these cutting-edge batteries can be recharged in 10 minutes or less, making electric vehicles more convenient and practical for everyday use. However, the question remains: when will this technology be available to the public, and will it actually live up to its promise? In one of my previous videos, I covered the news about BYD shifting towards sodium-ion batteries with a $1.4 billion investment. BYD, already the world's largest manufacturer of electric vehicles, is no stranger to bold moves in new technology. This time, Toyota has decided to jump in and steal some thunder with its solid-state battery technology. However, this is not the first time Toyota has discussed solid-state batteries. The journey began in November 2010 when Toyota initially announced its plans to develop solid-state EV batteries. Over 13 years have passed since that announcement, and while Toyota has released numerous press statements about its progress, there has been minimal evidence of significant advancements aside from progress in hydrogen fuel cell technology. Toyota had promised to showcase a prototype solid-state battery at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, a pledge that could have served as a substantial PR boost. However, the demonstration failed to materialize, even with the Olympics postponed to 2021. Despite this setback, Toyota has remained steady in its forecasts, predicting that mass-produced solid-state batteries would roll out in the latter half of the 2020s. In October, Toyota and Japanese oil giant Idemitsu Kosan announced a collaboration to develop and build solid-state EV batteries. This partnership aims to catalyze a significant leap forward in electric vehicle technology, with advanced batteries expected to roll out in 2027 and mass production to follow soon after. The head of Toyota, Kosamoto Vikamgadi, reinforced this commitment during an investment summit in India, stating that the company will begin rolling out EVs with solid-state batteries in a couple of years. He highlighted the battery's ability to fully charge a vehicle in 10 minutes and deliver an unprecedented range of approximately 745 miles or 1,200 kilometers. Toyota plans to introduce this technology in 2 developmental stages. Initially, it aimed to integrate the technology into hybrid electric vehicles before transitioning to battery electric vehicles. However, the strategy has evolved to focus on advancing the technology for electric vehicles directly. The first phase promises a solid-state battery with a range of 621 miles, 1,000 kilometers, and the capability to charge from 10% to 80% in just 10 minutes. The second phase aims for a battery that can reach up to 745 miles, 1,200 kilometers, on a full charge. While Toyota plans to launch this technology by 2027, recent updates suggest mass production might not begin until 2030 or beyond, due to potential logistical, technological, or supply chain challenges. Meanwhile, Toyota continues to develop other battery technologies to enhance EV performance, cost efficiency, and accessibility. One innovation is a high-performance lithium-ion battery expected in Toyota's 2026 lineup, with a range of up to 497 miles, 800 kilometers, and 20% lower costs than current batteries. Another breakthrough is the introduction of lithium iron phosphate batteries incorporating bipolar nickel metal hydride technology, projected to hit the market between 2026 and 2027. These advancements promise significant improvements in cruising range and cost, ensuring Toyota remains a competitive force in the evolving EV landscape. estimated to be 40% less expensive. These batteries are also designed for efficiency with a fast recharge time of less than 30 minutes from 10% to 80% capacity. Toyota is also refining its battery technology with an advanced lithium-ion battery form incorporating a high nickel cathode and a bipolar structure. This high-performance variant is slated for a potential 2027 to 2028 release and aims to surpass the 621-mile or 1,000-kilometer range mark. Toyota also promises this battery will be 10% less costly than the aforementioned performance battery while maintaining a swift recharge rate of 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes. While most batteries can be fast charged at least a few times, sending in massive energy surges is very harsh on them. However, Toyota is literally staking its entire reputation on its claims that its upcoming long-range solid-state batteries can be fast-charged repeatedly before they finally wear out. This means these batteries will have a longer lifespan even with constant high-speed charging, reducing the overall cost of owning an electric vehicle. Toyota is not working alone to make its new solid-state batteries a reality. Over its endeavors, spanning more than 13 years dedicated to breaking through in solid-state battery technology, Toyota has forged partnerships with significant players across different industries. The collaboration with Panasonic, an electronics and battery sector giant, marks a crucial step toward achieving their mutual goals in battery innovation. Equally important is Toyota's alliance with the petroleum company Idemitsu, signaling a cross-industry effort to advance the development of solid-state batteries. This trend of seeking expertise outside the automobile industry is becoming increasingly popular among car manufacturers in a push to pioneer the solid-state EV battery market. Virtually all of the world's leading automakers have sought synergies through joint development agreements with tech companies, highlighting the importance of collaborative innovation. So, what will be the benefits if Toyota successfully integrates solid-state batteries into electric vehicles? The prospects are genuinely groundbreaking. Solid-state batteries are poised to revolutionize the automotive industry by addressing some of the most significant obstacles EVs face today. Given their lighter weight compared to current lithium-ion batteries, which are a primary factor in the heavier build of EVs relative to internal combustion engine vehicles, solid-state batteries could reduce the overall weight of EVs.